We shall begin our illustration with a sales quotation. Simply click on this button, and we are ready to create our sales quotation. All you need to do is to select the customer from the customer's database, and then proceed to select the billing item. We shall select Apple iPad for our illustration. Key in the quantity and the unit price will automatically appear. Now we are ready to print our first quotation. Presto! A crisp and clear quotation in double quick time. Isn't this wonderful? Now, clever system design helps us boost productivity by cutting down on duplicate work. The data entered at the sales quotation is used to generate a delivery order without further work or human intervention. Like magic, Tradpac instantly generates the DO. We shall now select the credit sales function. Select the first option at the menu, and then click on the Extract function. A pop-up screen appears to display our DO. Simply click on OK, and our sales invoice is created effortlessly. Now, we shall click on the Print button to print a copy of the sales invoice. Isn't this easy? Full details, including the DO reference and item description, is displayed neatly across the face of our sales invoice. Tradpac also computes the GST automatically and sums up the total amount on this invoice. At the bottom of the invoice, the amount in words is displayed. Can you see? Singapore dollars 5,221.60 cents. Yes, crisp and clear documentation is a hallmark of Tradpac. Next, we shall proceed to save this invoice. Once we have saved this invoice, we can proceed to confirm this transaction, and Tradpac will automatically update our accounts. Accounting becomes hassle-free. We shall now take a peek at our reports. All you have to do is to enter the date range. Once that is done, simply click on the OK button, and here we are. Can you see the invoice number 1601 appears instantly in our GST report? Yes, no more late GST reporting. Full details of the sales transaction, including the invoice amount and the output tax of $341.60, is shown in this report. But that's not all. Let us now take a look at the general ledger. Can you see? Invoice reference 1601 is debited to the debtor's control account, and further down, we have the goods and services tax account. Again, Tradpac has passed the credit entry of $341.60 to the GST account. Even the sales account has been posted for you. Yes, with Tradpac, accounting becomes fast and automatic. Can you see how easy it is to do daily accounting with Tradpac? Now even your general clerk can do real-time accounting with Tradpac. Yes, with Tradpac third-generation accounting technology, even smaller enterprises that do not have a full-time accountant can look forward to enjoy timely accounts within the privacy of their own office. And what about the trial balance? Relax, Tradpac does that for you as well. Take a look at the screen. Trade debtors account, $5,221.60. We can also see the goods and services account with $341.60. And below is our sales account with a credit balance of $4,880. Well, you can see why Tradpac is the preferred choice among the most discerning users. Yes, Tradpac gives you instant GST reports. The general ledger is also updated without additional effort. And to enhance your credit control, Tradpac gives the user real-time accounts receivable. We shall take a closer look at the statement to Atlas Printing Private Limited. Notice that our invoice 1601 has been updated already. Now let us see the aging analysis right below the debtor's statement. This is indeed a very useful feature. Can you see that the sum of $5,221.60 in the bracket 1 to 30 days? In the following month, This amount will move to 31 to 60 days, and Tradpac will continue to age the transactions every month so that you can easily seek out the delinquent accounts. Other AR reports include your historical statement of accounts. There is also the debtors listing as well as the debtors listing by foreign currencies. Yes, Tradpac may be simple, but not simplistic. Tradpac even includes a rare feature for automatic exchange accounting. Tradpac is a powerful business tool and enables even the user with minimal accounting knowledge to handle a full set of accounts. Now, to account for your credit purchases, simply click on this button. Then take out your supplier's invoice and enter the invoice reference, the date, followed by a remark where applicable. Then call up a help screen to select the supplier. In compliance with IRAS audit requirement, you can enter the import permit number if the purchases are made from abroad. If this transaction is subject to input tax, click on Yes and enter the transaction details in the pop-up screen as shown. Really, it is that simple. GST amount will be accurately computed by the system, and the double entries for this purchase transaction will be affected automatically without human intervention. Purchases account is debited with $20,000. The input tax of $1,400 is debited to GST account, and trade creditors is then credited with $21,400. Isn't this fantastic? Little knowledge is needed. Tradpac takes care of your daily accounts automatically. Just confirm post and we are done. We shall now take a peek at the GST report. Enter the period concerned and click on the OK button below. Instantly, Tradpac generates the GST report. Notice that our purchase transaction is updated without further work and human intervention. SI-987533 is shown together with other pertinent information, like the net purchase value of $20,000 and GST of $1,400. Although simple to use, Tradpac is packed with immense power to do your daily accounting work and relieve your accountant of daily work stress. In fact, even a layman could do accounting with Tradpac. Let us take you back to our general ledger. Can you see the purchases account is automatically updated with SI 987533 dated 12/1/2013? And the input tax of $1,400 is debited to the goods and services tax account. And to complete our double entries, Trade Creditors Control account is also posted with a credit value of $21,400. Yes, Tradpac is simply amazing. Even the trial balance can be instantaneously generated with one click of the mouse. Watch this. Notice the trade creditors show $28,700. The trial balance is perfectly balanced. Tradpac cuts down on human errors to give you real-time accounting at minimal cost. And you have the option to add on the IAF application. This module will make Tradpac fully IRAS compliant. What about the monthly trading profit and loss statement? Simply select this report from the reporting menu. Enter the cutoff date and closing stock. Yes, that's all. In just a matter of seconds, we have a report on the screen. Let us zoom in. Can you see the sales and commission income making up the total sales amount? Tradpac computes the cost of sales automatically. Total sales subtracts the cost of sales to give us our gross margin. Tradpac then deducts the overhead expenses such as staff salaries, electricity bills, telephone, and fax charges from the gross margin of $25,380. This will give us a net operational profit of $18,341.68 as shown at the foot of our profit and loss statement. One more click of the mouse, and like magic, we have our balance sheet. Can you imagine all the valuable time and money that you can save with Tradpac? Yes, Tradpac is the perfect tool for business accounting. With Tradpac, even a smaller enterprise can enjoy timely accounts within the privacy of their own office. No accounting knowledge is required. Tradpac makes year-end closing a breeze. Simply close your books and continue with the entries for the new financial year. There is no need to worry about troublesome audit adjustments. Once the audit is over, you will have the audited balances. Tradpac allows you to edit and replace the opening balances for GL, AR, and AP. Few systems come with this rare and useful feature. Tradpac makes accounting 10 times faster and completely fuss-free. In short, Tradpac eliminates the work stress and gives the accountant total peace of mind all year long. Once you have edited the opening balances, you can save the latest updates into your system. Tradpac lets you check out the revision carefully before you confirm your amended figures. Once done, you may print a copy of the revised trial balance for future reference. Now let's take another look at the general ledger. Notice that the UOB bank account shows an opening balance brought forward of $200,000. Is this figure familiar? Well, it should be. This was the figure we saw at the opening trial balance just a moment ago. Notice the changes in our trial balance. Yes, with Tradpac, accounting becomes highly automated and less time-consuming. This will free up valuable time for your accountant to do more intelligent work. Routine daily bookkeeping can be left entirely to Tradpac. There is no change to the profit and loss statement, but notice many changes in the balance sheet. UOB bank account has a revised balance of $221,000. Share capital of $150,000 is added to the balance sheet, and there is also the retained profit of $50,000. The balance sheet is now accurate and reflects the audited balances brought forward from the previous financial year. Sit tight. We shall continue our demo with some examples of payment transactions. You'll love this. Let us click on the Payment Voucher button. We are now ready to generate our first payment voucher using Tradpac. Simply enter the check reference and the date. We can enter a remark for this transaction. Call up the Help screen and select Rental of Warehouse. Next, enter the supplier's invoice reference, followed by the invoice amount, say $5,000. Next, the supplier code. Say LL for Landlord Private Limited. Tradpac allows you to create a new supplier record and enter the full particulars such as address and so on. Yes, creating a new master file record is not a problem with Tradpac. Save and proceed with the next transaction. This time we are paying for the purchase of a computer. As this is a fixed asset, enter F to zoom in on all the fixed assets. Select Computer and the pop-up screen will appear. Simply key in the invoice number and the amount. Select Supplier A. Click the OK button. Confirm, and we are done. We shall exit and go to the menu. Here we can print the payment voucher. First, we have the payment voucher to the landlord. See the details? Next, the payment voucher for our computer. Neat and nice documentation is generated by the system with full details of our transaction. Click on Post, and Tradpac updates your accounts automatically. Let us check out the general ledger. Can you see the transactions are immediately updated to the GL? Rental of warehouse at $5,000. See that? Computer at $2,000. Notice this as well? Next, let's check out the trial balance. Do you notice our rental accounts as well as the computer account? Like magic, everything falls neatly into place. Amazing, isn't it? Tradpac also generates fast and accurate accounting reports without human intervention. Watch this, the profit and loss statement, and our balance sheet. Notice that the format has changed? Tradpac automatically creates the fixed assets section at the top of our balance sheet. Computers at $2,000 is displayed. Can accounting be easier than this? Wise up. Save both your time and money. Make business accounting hassle-free with Tradpac. Call us now at 633-4998 or visit our website at kangarooaccounting.com. Tradpac is tested and proven since 1987. Check out the many press reports about this wonderful system today. Thank you for your interest in Tradpac.